ice cuber. So today we have 2 paper towels. But we also have 2 cubes. But we also have a ton of lube. So today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your horrible looking speed cube, but also how to lube them. So this is going to be like how to take care of your speed cube pretty much. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first is going to be how to clean your cube. So if you just want to know how to lube it, then skip to the timestamp that will be around here somewhere. So first, we are going to take the cube apart. So as you can see, this cube is not the cleanest, but this is going to take a minute. So while I'm taking this apart, I just want to say thank you so much for 30 subscribers. I know I said that a video or two ago, but I just wanted to say I have something very big planned for 50 subscribers. I'm sorry, but yeah, I have something really big planned for 50 subscribers. So really try to help me get there. Please like the video and subscribe, but mainly just please subscribe. But like, yeah, tell your friends, oh hey, there's this guy that shows people how to clean a Rubik's Cube. Yeah. So, yeah. But anyways, I'm done taking apart the cube, or at least almost done. So yeah. If you're wondering what cubes these are, oh my god, this is so dirty. This does have a little bit of lube. Well, take a look at this. And take a look at this. And try and figure it out. I'll give you a few seconds. Figured it out yet? Well, it's the GAN 11M Duo. And if you know much about it, you might realize that because it has core magnets and it has the GAN logo, so it's GAN, and it does not have adjustable magnets. So yeah, but anyways, also this is the YJ-MGC3 Elite stickered. I'm going to just scoot these over here. So luckily I have a few more paper towels. So to clean it, you're going to need a paper towel, and I'd recommend another paper towel or something like newspaper, that way you can, so nothing gets dirty. So I'd recommend just taking a paper towel, like just from that, it got a little dirty, and just like, kind of like scrubbing against it. If you want, you can use something like a toothbrush or soap. But just for the core, it's pretty simple. So I think I just like had dropped my cube in like dirt or something. I don't know, maybe a friend was like, oh, here, and they just didn't know that it was like a $45 cube, so they just tossed it on the ground. I don't know. But anyways, it got dirty somehow. Oh, this is not going back in. Let me change the camera angle real quick. Why is this not going in? There. So, I'm just gonna clean that real quick. does already have some lube in it, so that's nice. But now, I'm gonna put the core over there. Just take your paper towel and really just thoroughly like clean it. You might want to use some water on it, like it doesn't really matter. I'm not, and it's gonna be fine, I hope. So yeah, I want to use like one little piece of paper towel like this, to clean the entire cube, and it was fine. Oopsies. But, yeah, this will take a little while. So let's cue the time lapse. So we are back, and I have all these edges cleaned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is pretty dirty. So ideally I'd probably use this for the entire thing, but judging on how dirty this is, maybe not. So I'm going to start using this. So actually no, I'll just leave that there. Okay. So now for the corners, and once again, time lapse time. So you might have seen that I just got up, but I got a toothbrush. This is just an old toothbrush that we have lying around. So I'm going to be using this to go like, and just to make it a little bit easier. If you don't have this, it's fine, but it really helps. Back to the time lapse. Okay, so we're done with the cleaning process. So, we have the core, which I'm just going to polish up a little bit right now. If your cube is this dirty, you might want to do some more stuff. I think it's pretty good, but usually your cube won't be too dirty, and you don't have to do too much. Like if this was just like I just wanted to clean some lube out, it would probably take about 5 minutes to clean. It's been taking about 10 minutes to do this one, but now I'm going to show you how to put it together. So I usually just take a random edge, put in a random edge slot, and then right next to it I put another random edge. And you actually have a 1 in 12 chance of it of your cube being put together the right way and it being solvable, but you have a 11 in 12 chance of it not being solvable. So now you're gonna take a corner, slide it in right there. Then this one just happens to be in the right spot. That one is going to be, oops, yeah, this one's gonna be right here. And then you can go next to it and put in another edge. I'm gonna scoot this down a teeny bit more again. And now you're going to put in another corner, another edge, and then you have the choice to either put it like right here or right here. But I'm gonna take an edge, slide it in the back, corner, put it right here, put it in an edge, put it in a corner, put in an edge, put in another edge, put in a corner, just put in another corner right here, an edge, another edge, a corner, and then you're gonna have to like put this on 45 degrees and then kind of like twist this, but it'll go in pretty easily. And if this is solvable, I'm going to be really happy. Okay, so let's see. I'm actually working on color neutrality or whatever it's called, but yeah, I'm ready, go. So I will be doing yellow cross. Nope. Edge. Corner twist. Done. Not too bad. I'm gonna pull this back out. But now that this is clean, let's get rid of these. You can use the same ones, but I don't like to because I have a lot. And yeah. So let's just do this. So it feels a lot better now that it's not as dirty. Also looks a lot nicer. Like, I might show it before and after, but here's an after. If you want, you can go to the beginning of the video to look at the before. Okay, I hate when this happens. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to lube this. So you're once again going to be actually taking our cube apart. So could you just left, oopsies, I'll be with you when I get that back. So yeah, we're back. We have the little piece. You cannot run away. But anyways, what I was saying was you're gonna have to take your cube apart again. So yeah, pretty easy. So while I'm taking it apart, I just want to talk about what lubes I'd recommend getting. So I'd recommend getting, so if your budget is say $5, maybe just some DM37, but I have to say lube lasts a while, so I'd recommend getting like I got this big thing of weight 5, which I would also really recommend if you can afford it. And it's pretty cheap. I got this big thing for $10. It'll last me like 2 years. Yeah, so some maybe DM37 is really good. I get everything from thecubicle.com. Oopsies. So yeah. Also, maybe some Angstrom, Dignitas, and Gravitas. But those are the 3 main lubes I'd recommend. But now, let's move all of my cube. So, let's get another paper towel. So, if you have weight 5, I would really recommend using it for this. So you're gonna want to, I'd also recommend if you've used the weight 5 before, or anything that comes out of the syringe, I'd recommend having a paper towel to open it up. So you're gonna have to, so what you're gonna be doing is essentially, you're gonna be putting lube, some weight 5, right around where this little piece touches. Not too much, otherwise it'll be very gummy. But what I was saying was you can take a paper towel and make it a lot easier to open. And then you're going to put the tip on. So I'm going to start with orange. Just put a little bit around there. Not too much. Just like, not that much, but yeah, whatever. And then I'll go yellow next. And then I'll do green. I like to leave red, white, and blue last because that's like the flag color of the United States, so I can remember it. So I'll do red. And then white. And last but not least, blue. So yeah. Now we'll just take the extra stuff, put it. So I'm going to real quick just put this top back on. Any extra stuff you don't want to waste, you can just wipe on the piece. But now I'll just, once again, put my cube back together. So, yeah, I will see when my cube is back together. So my cube is back together, and let's see, is it solvable? Please tell me it's solvable. I hate when you like have 2 edges that need to be swapped that are across from each other. Corner twist. Just corner twist, that was good. Okay, so I would recommend getting some Angstrom Dignitas and Gravitas. So, what's this stuff? So, the bottle, or the little thing, so you can get actually a set of it for like a few dollars cheaper, which is really nice. I think you can save like $2 or $3. Not that much in the grand scheme of things, but yeah. So I'm gonna take out a little thing. And the bottle with like the lighter A, that's gonna be going on the tracks. So right here. And then the darker A right here is gonna be going on this area. So let's get some of that lighter stuff. So I'm just gonna get about that much. Maybe a little less. And please focus. Okay. Yeah, it's not, but yeah, just a little bit. Not that much. But, and just put it in the track. Some people like to do like a ton. Maybe a little more. But just enough to get a nice coating in there. And that on one side of the track, and then some on the other side. And I like to put a little bit on the top. Then we're going to take this and put this edge back in. And I'll just take this and put it in there. That's it for, I believe that, I don't know which it is, it's so confusing. But now for the darker A. It is very drippy, keep in mind, so you're gonna actually want to take the edge out first. So, I'm gonna take some from the top. About that much. Okay, well, I'll just take a little bit and put it on the side. And just like dip it, make sure it has enough. Give a nice coating to both sides. Not all four sides of the edge. But now you're going to put the edge back in, of course. You are not going to be leaving the edge out. Yeah, and of course my cube is getting all lubey, so I'm going to use a paper towel. But yeah, that's it for the ink from Gravitas and Dignitas. But I'm going to put you back in. I'm going to put you back in. And I'm going to put you back in. And you back in. But these little things you need to usually do on a tilt. That way there's enough room to close the bag. It's fine, honestly. I'll just not close in that particular area. But, and then, it's probably going to feel very gummy, like slow. I'm going to actually put this weight 5 away. But, I'm sorry this has been a longer video, but I'm going to wipe this down. Probably gonna feel a bit slow, so that's why I'd recommend getting some Denom 37 and just opening this up. And just putting in few drops, and I wasn't looking, so. Oh, holy cow, I put in way too much. Okay, so let me tell you an interesting story. I once put in way too much DNM37 into my RSM 2020. But it was like so fast, but it felt so nice. Yeah, if you do what I just did, it's going to leak out sides. So just take paper towel and do that. And like if you have too much oil in a frying pan, you're gonna wanna like tilt it all over the place so it gets all around. But, oh yeah, this feels really nice. So that's how to take care of your cubes, and I'm not going to be showing this in this video, but this cube would also work. This is like a $25 cube. This is a $45 cube. You can do this with $5 cubes and it'll feel nice. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the outro. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the outro. By the way, if the video quality looks a little different, like there might be a little white border around here, that's because I'm using a new video editor. So just yeah. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it informative. As I said, something really big is. I'm planning something really big for 50 subscribers. So, yeah. Hope you enjoy the outro.